How can learning academic strategies build your child's self-esteem? So many kids who struggle in school have such poor sense of self. Their confidence is weak and they're used to so much negativity. So if you teach a child a strategy on how to build their writing skills, for instance, and you notice their writing growing from these strategies, empower them by showing them the growth. Show them the writing that they were doing 3 months ago compared to the writing that they're doing now, and really wow them with the difference. Empower them with how their hard work and how these strategies are really making them better writers. Also empower them with their reading. If they struggled to read a basic small book 4 or 5 months ago, but now they're reading a chapter book, show them the difference in what they were able to read before and what they're reading now. The more concrete empowerment you can do, and the more you can show them their growth, the better they'll feel about themselves.